Now, let's have a look and see whether you believe this. Is it true that 4 groups of 8 is the same as 4 groups of 5 plus 4 groups of 3? Now, the brackets aren't essential, but I've put them there because I want to help you think about 4 groups of 5 and 4 groups of 3 separately. Now, we've got 4 groups on the left-hand side of 8, and on the right-hand side we've got 4 groups and 4 groups. So we're still multiplying by 4, but we're multiplying 4 by 8 on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side we're multiplying by 5 and another 3. So that kind of sounds right, doesn't it? Well, I think the best way is to investigate with objects, because when you can see that it's true, it's much easier to believe it. So let's go and investigate this particular problem. Now let's have a look at this, and let's go back to using arrays. Remember how arrays helped us understand multiplication? And when we had 4 multiplied by 8, we could imagine it as 4 rows of 8, which is what you can see there with my rectangle. Now, if we're trying to see whether that's the same as 4 groups of 5 plus 4 groups of 3, which you can just see have arrived on the screen, I've got 2 new shapes. Well, what we could do is actually put them on top of each other and see. So let's do just that. Let's move 4 groups of 5 up there. There we go. Pop them up there. And 4 groups of 3. And when we put them straight on top of 4 groups of 8, you can actually see that they're the same. So now we can say that yes, this is true. Now we can also write it a different way. We could actually bring it back so that we write it as 4 multiplied by 8 is the same as 4 multiplied by 5 plus 3. Because we've got 4 groups of 5 plus 4 groups of 3. And remember, with our diagram, we actually put them next to each other, and it was like 5 plus 3 columns. So 5 plus 3 can go in the brackets there. Now what's important is that the 2 numbers in the brackets have to equal the number on the left-hand side, and they do. What about another one? What about if this time I start with my numbers inside the bracket? And we can actually apply the distributive property of multiplication here, and we can say that 4 multiplied by 6 plus 2 is the same as 4 multiplied by 6 plus 4 multiplied by 2. So we can go in either direction. Now remember, 6 plus 2 has to equal 8, which it does. Now, are there any others? Could you put 2 different numbers in those brackets that add to 8 and work through this? And maybe even draw the grids to see how they work.